Hello everyone, my name is Kyle DiLorenzo from the Technical Services window, and today I'll be showing you how to easily record your screen in Windows 10. Windows 10 has a built-in screen recorder called Windows Game Bar. However, based upon the different version of Windows 10 that you have, it may appear differently. Before we begin, I'm going to first show you how to find out which version of Windows 10 that you have. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then type in Settings. Click the Settings app, then System, and at the bottom of the page, click About. If you scroll down, you can then see which edition of Windows 10 that you have. If you have Windows 10 Home or Pro, your game bar should appear the same as mine. However, if you have Windows 10 Enterprise, it may appear differently. Next, we will make sure that Windows Game Bar is activated. To do so, click on the Start button once again, and then type in Game Bar. Click Game Bar Settings with the gear icon. If you have Windows 10 Enterprise, however, the text may appear slightly different. Once you go into the settings, make sure that the slider is turned on. You can also turn it back off using this slider as well. While we are on the settings, let's go over some important keyboard shortcuts. To start Game Bar, hold the Windows button plus G. To start or stop your recording, hold the Windows button plus Alt plus R. To turn your microphone on or off, press the Windows button plus Alt plus M. Additionally, in the capture settings, or in Windows 10 Enterprise, the game DVR settings, you can see the file path where the videos will be saved. You can press Open Folder to see your captures, or simply navigate there by going to This PC, Videos, and then Captures. Additionally, it may be helpful to turn on the Turn on Mic by Default when I record button, because by default, your microphone is muted whenever you start a recording. Here you can also change your microphone or system volume when being recorded. You can also change your video settings, but they should be good by default. So now that we've adjusted our settings, let's record. Hold the Windows button plus G to open up Game Bar. This interface may appear slightly different in Windows 10 Enterprise, and some versions of Windows have it at the bottom of your screen. To screen record with Game Bar, you need to use the capture window in the top left corner. With Game Bar, however, you cannot record your desktop. It must be used inside of a program or your web browser. When you are ready, press record. Once you begin recording, a small capture window will pop up on the right side of your screen. This will give you controls such as stop recording and microphone muting. These options can also be activated from the main capture window. When you are finished recording, you can hit stop. To quickly see your recordings, hit the Show All Captures button. In Windows 10 Enterprise, however, you will find a small folder icon that will also open up your recent captures. This has been a quick overview of how to record your screen using Windows Game Bar. If you have any additional questions, please email the Technical Services window at tsw@gmail.com for more information. Thank you and happy recording.